179, the A320 going to Phoenix, Arizona.
MzeroA flying Aviation, Kilo, Volkswagen Alpha.
Who's a Kilo Thai? Who is that?
MzeroA flying Heavy.
Tam 8081 Heavy, left on Alpha, short of Echo. 808 Bravo Lima, you didn't follow it? 808 Bravo Lima?
808 Bravo Lima, you told us to follow the Embraer.
You follow the Embraer? JetBlue 1069?
This video is sponsored by 4Flight, makers of the brand new 4Flight Mobile 3.0. The latest version of their popular pre-flight intelligence application. You can learn more about their entire suite of aviation software at www.foreflight.com.
Hi, and welcome to MzeroA's video podcast, episode number 17, Understanding Weather, specifically Understanding Fronts. I'm your host, Jason Schappert. Fronts, whether they be a warm front or a cold front, tend to be confusing to students. So today we're going to talk about what causes a front and how it affects us while we're flying. Let's watch the video.
Before we start, let's go over some basic definitions. An air mass is a large body of air similar in temperature and moisture, while a front is the defined transition zone between those two air masses. For this lesson, we're going to go over the four most common types of fronts. The first one is a cold front. You can tell from the image and remember cold front because it's blue and also because it has the triangles. When you think of triangles, you can think of a sharp cold weather is the easiest way to remember that. Now a cold front is defined simply by its temperature because the leading edge of that front is cooler than the warmer air that it's overtaking. Number two is a warm front. The warm front is red. Red is warm, so that's easy to remember. And again, a warm front is defined by the temperature. The warmer air is overtaking the colder air. The third one is a stationary front. A stationary front occurs when neither air mass is replacing the other. So, in other words, the front is stationary. It's not moving. Lastly, number four is an occluded front. An occluded front occurs when a cold front catches up with a warm front. An occluded front is depicted by the triangle and the half circle on both sides of the frontal line, and that symbol is purple. So let's talk a little bit about how these fronts affect us while we're flying and with the creation of thunderstorms. We know that colder air is more dense. So you can see from this picture, the warmer air goes up the cold air almost like a ramp. And we know from previous lessons that the three ingredients for a thunderstorm are moisture, which is found in that warmer air, a temperature inversion, which is found when the warm meets the cold, and an uplifting action, which happens when the cold wedges itself up underneath the warm, lifting that warm, moist air aloft and causing thunderstorms. This is why along mostly all your frontal lines, you'll have terrible thunderstorms, usually resulting in squall lines. That's it for this week. Be sure to check us out next week as we continue our Understanding Weather series with Understanding Thunderstorms. Remember, a good pilot is always learning. See ya.
You're on Bravo, you're short of Victor Alpha, you're Beam the Iberian?
For Beam Alitalia on the left there.
Beam Alitalia. Alright, just hang on. JetBlue 179?
Yes, sir. We're number 2 holding short of Victor Alpha on Bravo.
Hey, who's the first JetBlue on Bravo short of Victor Alpha?
35.
You're an outbound?
Yep.
Hey, you guys should come up here one day. JetBlue 35, need you to pull it right up there and hold short of Victor for me.